esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a special website that allows you to mine coin for free. You mine coin and your USDT for free. Okay, so before I quickly jump into that, I'll please ask you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and also turn on the notification bell if you have also not done that, so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you as soon as possible. Okay, I want you to stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end. Don't tell me that you have already seen the name of the site, okay, you are done with it, you want to go. No, you need to wait. Let's walk into this together. Okay, the name of the amazing website where you can start mining your coin, mine BTC, and gain in USDT is hashcoinmining.com. Okay, this hashcoinmining.com allow you to mine coin for free. Okay, and you can also subscribe to a machine that can continue mining for you, and you keep catching out every 20 days, every 30 days, or even below those days. Okay, so let's quickly jump into that. I'm going to walk you through how you can register on your own and also make all those things available on your own. So my phone is on desktop view. I'm going to change it back to phone view so that everything will come out boldly. But if you want, you can also change it back to a desktop view. It will help you a lot because it will allow you to see everything in bold. Okay, so let's quickly jump into that. The next thing you do, I assume you don't have an account already, so you click on create an account. If you create an account now, the first thing you do, you type in your name here, your email here, your password, and also confirm the password. Okay, whenever the password is confirmed, okay, you go to your email. There will be a link sent to you. You just click on the email. That's all. The registration process is very simple and it's users friendly. Okay, so that is for that. So I would like to log into my own account now, and we'll see how it works. You click on login. I have my details already saved. Click on login. Okay, this is hashcoin mining site. Okay, so this is how it is. The moment you register, your mining start immediately. Then you can see mine is already, I have 0.4 now, and the moment is 2.0, I can withdraw. Okay, I can move my coin straight to my Binance wallet, to my Trust wallet, and I get cash out immediately. Okay, so that is for that. You can see mine is already mining. This is real, it's really working. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna go into look at it, because someone will be looking at this now and now be asking, okay, how can I withdraw after all this? Okay, if you look at this below menu here, there's home, which is where we are currently. There's buy plan, there's withdraw, and also there's a what we call a referral programs. Okay, this buy plan allows you to pay for a particular machine that can continue mining for you. That one will be faster than this. The moment you pay for a particular machine, it's faster than this. But even though you're not going to pay, you will mine up and you will get your money. Okay. So, but in case you want to boost up, you want to get something highly vital quickly. Okay. So the next thing that you will need to do is to quickly come to this place and click on buy plan. So I'll show you this before showing you the withdrawal process. Okay, you click on buy plan. So if you click on buy plan, this will display some of those machine respective with their respective prices. Okay, to display some of these mining machines with their respective prices. Sorry, the loading is a bit poor. I think it's a network issue. So sorry, I'll prefer to take it to a desktop view. I think it's with me a lot. So while this is still loading, I'll take you to, okay, it's already here. So the next thing that you need to do is, see, the first one here said the power one, it has a 1 gigahertz. Okay, the contract time is 67 days, the daily gain is 0.03, and the profit is 2. The amount you need to pay here is just 1 USDT. You just need to pay 1 USDT. Okay, you pay 1 USDT, you gain 2. This is small. Okay, all right. This machine rate is 1 USDT. Okay, and this machine rate is 15 USDT. Okay, the contract time is 45 days, and the daily gain is 0.6. The profit is 30. So in 45 days, you earn $30. All you need to do is just $15. So likewise here, the power is 5, the contract time is 58 days, the daily gain is 0.1, and the profit is 10 USDT. I think you gain double here. When you pay 5, you gain 10 after the end of mining. After the days are exhausted, this is what you gain. Okay, so all this continues. 15 power 15, all this continues. Actually, you pay 30, you pay 30, you gain 60. You see, this is highly profitable, I think. So you pay 75, you gain 152. Okay, this is highly profitable. You can go through this and just purchase on your own, and this is simply how you can purchase. Maybe you want to pay 1 USDT, you click on buy. Okay, if you click on buy, the next thing you need to do, you check how you want to pay it. Okay, do you want to pay through the Bitcoin wallet, through the Dogecoin wallet, through the Ethereum wallet, through the Lightroom wallet? Okay, if you want to pay through the BTC wallet, you just click on the BTC and provide your address. So you select your payment method here. So you select your payment method here. Is very simple and it's also user friendly, and proceed to what? And proceed to make your payment. Okay, so that is for that. I'm sorry, my network is a bit acting. Okay, that is for that. So the next thing I'm going to show you here is the referral programs. I'll first show you the referral programs the before going into the withdrawal. Okay, sorry, my network is a bit acting. Sorry, my network is a bit acting. So the next thing that we are going to see is the referral program. Click on the referral. Maybe I should return it to the phone view so that I can get it quickly. So the next thing that we are going to do is to click on our referral programs. Okay, so you click on the referral programs. On these referral programs, if you register and also refer your friend, you will gain their 10%. They will gain the 10% of their deposit. Okay, so you come down here, you copy your referral link and paste it on any of these social media, so that our people can use your link to actually register. Okay, that is for that. Okay, that is actually for that. So from this now we go to what everybody is clamoring to hear. Okay, so we go to we go to withdrawal process. Click on the withdrawal down here. If you click on the withdrawal down here, if you come to this place, this is what I've actually secured. This is what I've actually secured in mining. Okay, so the next thing I would love to do here is to put the amount. Let's say the minimum is 2 USDT. Okay, you can put the minimum USDT on this place. You can put your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, you go there, copy your addresses on your Binance, your Trust wallet, or any other one, then you paste it here and click on withdraw. below down here said a withdrawal are made in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Okay, you made a withdrawal in the Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. Withdrawal are manuals. At the time of withdrawal, the dollar amount is changed to Bitcoin. In case you'll be wondering, okay, I'm seeing a dollar amount here, but I have been asked to withdraw through what is it called, Bitcoin. Okay, that is what it's telling you. It's at the withdrawal stage, the dollar will now automatically be converted to Bitcoin. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. I think this brings me to the end of this amazing tutorials. I would love to stop here for today. You can see it keeps mining, it keeps mining, it keeps mining. This will keep reading. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have not, if you do get value from this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell, and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any amazing video of this nature, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for you sticking to V tutorials. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.